Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I finished work and I've come back home and I know I need to record this video because this device was sent to me a couple weeks ago, and it is basically a new laser hair removal device. It's called the Lilia device, and it's basically an upgraded version of the laser hair removal device that I used to use. This is the one I used to use. It's got quite a few views. It's got quite a few views on my YouTube channel from this one, but today I am going to be showing you this new device that I got sent to me. So this is basically a sponsored video. I just want to get straight into it. This is what it looks like. This is what it comes in. This is the well, my head got caught. This is the device itself, as you can see right here. Lilia. Wait, let focus. Oh, it's not focusing. Lilia, right there. It's actually upside down. There we go. Yeah, so this is it. This is the on button. That's the on button right. It's the on button right here. Okay. Let me zoom out. Comes with a charger. Well, not a charger, you use it whilst it's plugged in, so you've got to plug it in. It comes with a razor, because you know you're not supposed to wax or pluck the hairs. You have to shave it or hair removal cream it before you start zapping. And it comes with these sunglasses that I think are really cool because it folds up. It's really good, really interesting. Folds up all the way. Love that. I think that's the best thing about this whole thing, literally. So you could pack it really nicely. Again, this is what they look like on. It's not really for fashion, but you know, wait. Darling. But anyway, let's get to the device. And it comes with Q-tips. I don't know why it comes with this. I don't know what else you'd really use that for. But yeah, so I'm going to use the device to show you how it works, and then I'm going to tell you what I think. So, I'm plugging it in. Ooh, hot. It's very hot. Okay, so when you plug it in, you can see this green light start flashing, and it goes up to 5 levels. So I'm going to do a couple zaps. Turn it on. You click on this right here, and you can hear it. It starts to, you can use it now. Okay, I will admit, this is really painful. I find it really painful. So I'm just going to use it now. I need a little bit of a tissue to wipe myself because I'm sweating. I'm sweating, so I'm just going to literally use a tissue to wipe my chest area. This is the main area that I actually do want to laser because I do get a couple odd hairs here. As you know, I already get my neck and my chin lasered, so I won't be doing my face. So, ooh, okay. This is not as bad as my leg. Okay. Ooh. And the higher you use it, you just have to click the on button again and it will increase the volume. My battery is dying, so I'm going to really try and get through this video quickly. I might have to re-record the video again. But all in all, when I used it on the areas where my hairs were way more pigmented, like my legs, it was so painful, I couldn't cope. Like, it was so painful, I couldn't do my whole leg. But doing it on my chest where the hairs are a little bit lighter, it doesn't hurt as much as it did on my legs. So I think if you keep using it, go through the pain, it will feel so much easier. You'll be able to handle the pain more. I do think that this device is good. It's quite expensive. I think it's about 100 and something, but this is the problem. You can only order it in the US. It's the US Amazon link that is provided, so I'm really sorry my UK guys. There are ones that you can buy in the UK on the UK website, but this is for US basically. Yeah, I do apologize, but this is what they sent me. I do have a discount code which will be in the description box below. But I have used it. I think it's pretty good. I do think it's pretty good, but obviously if you're my skin tone or darker, I don't think you should use it because I think it's going to really hurt. And plus on the Amazon website, it doesn't actually show, it doesn't have like a color chart of who can use a device in terms of skin tone. So I'm just saying, if you're my skin tone or darker, it can get a bit difficult for you to use. However, I just used it on my chest. I've never used it on my chest. It doesn't hurt as much as it did my legs. I'm really worried about my armpits. I'd like to do my armpits, yeah, but my armpits are darker than my skin. So I will give it an update, and hopefully, if you guys like it, like the video, share, comment, subscribe, and tell me what you guys think. Tell me what you want to hear from this. And if I've forgotten anything, I'll put it in the description box below. My battery is literally dying and I don't want it to like die out on you guys. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys soon. Thank you, bye. Did I forget anything? No. Lilia, it's $109 and you get 10% off of my discount code, okay? Alright then, see you, bye.